Hope you are all doing well.
Yes.
So, in the last class, we started preparation methods of amines. And as I told you, this is the last chapter of organic chemistry. Clear? So, we will continue the remaining preparation methods of amines. So, now the next one is the reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles. Nitrile matlab cyanides. Okay, so how amines are prepared by reducing the cyanides. So now let us see the equation here. R C triple bonded and this is the nitrile. Clear? So this nitrile when undergo reduction with hydrogen by nickel. Clear everyone? Or else we can take sodium by ethanol. Any reducing agent we can use. Break the pi bonds, add the hydrogens. Okay, so R CH2 NH2, which is called as primary amine. So in this way, cyanides on reduction gives primary amines. Clear? For example, if I take now CH3CN methyl cyanide when undergo reduction with hydrogen nickel, then what happened? CH3 CH2 NH2 is formed, and I think you know the nomenclature of amines. So this compound is said to be what? Ethanamine according to IUPAC system. Hope you guys are following. This is very simple method. Okay. Now, let us go to next preparation method. Next one. Reduction of amides. Reduction of amides. Okay, so this is amide RC double bonded ONH2. Okay, so amide then undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by acidic hydrolysis. Then we will get RCH2NH2. Okay, let us take some example also here. CH3 C double bond undergo NH2 when undergo reduction. Clear? Then what we will get here? CH3 CH2 NH2 we will get. Hope it is clear. Okay, so tell me, any doubts in this one? There is no disturbance from my side. It is very much clear. No doubts na till now? Other guys, are you hearing any disturbance from my side? Any disturbance from my side? Yes. Now let us go to next and very important preparation method. Okay. Most important preparation method. So put the heading Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel is the scientist who proposed this preparation method. Phthalimide, I don't know whether remembered or not. In the last lesson, I explained you phthalimide. Phthalimide we got from phthalic acid. 1,4-dicarboxylic acids I told you in the last class. Okay, anyway, now we are going to see this one. Once see clearly, I want to break this one into some parts. So C double bonded O, C double bonded O, NH. Clear? So this compound is there now. This compound is said to be phthalimide. Phthalimide, this one. Clear? Now this phthalimide, when treated with KOH, potassium hydroxide. So here OH and here H. Water molecule is liberated out. Water molecule is liberated out. Clear? So now this is the compound formed here. This is the compound formed. So what is the name of this one? Potassium phthalimide. Potassium phthalimide. Clear, everyone? Potassium phthalimide. Okay. And now once you see, I will give some time afterwards to write. The next step is the very important step of this mechanism. Entire product formation depends on this step only. Clear? Now, here I will take RX. RX is what? Haloalkane. Clear? Now, you remove the KX part here. Why it is important, I will explain you at the end of this mechanism. This step is very important as I told you. So, like this KX to remove. So, if KX is removed out, okay, then what is the thing that is going to form here? Now, C double bonded O, C double bonded O, N, R, here, what is the name of this compound then? N-alkyl phthalimide. N-alkyl phthalimide. Let us go somewhat slowly this one because this is the most important one. N-alkyl phthalimide. Clear, everyone? Now, this one, when treated with here, let me take 2 molecules of water. 2 molecules of water. Followed. So what happened here? This Rn is there now. Rn combines with H2 from here. Rn combines with H2. So the primary product is RNH2. So RNH2 is the primary amine. Clear? Now here once you see now, everyone know, here one OH group left over, here one OH group left over. This OH group is bonded to this carbon and this OH group is bonded to this carbon. Then what is the other product formed here then? The other product formed is this one then. Okay, so this is said to be phthalic acid. In carboxylic acids, we learned this one. So Gabriel phthalimide synthesis is used to prepare primary amines. This is the mechanism of Gabriel phthalimide. Clear? So now tell me any doubts in this mechanism? Everyone please respond. Tell me any doubts in this mechanism? Gabriel phthalimide. Is the mechanism clear to everyone? What happened? Please respond quickly. In the last class, I told you, once again, I'm telling you, just 2 days. Only 2 days, bear my torture. After that, organic will be finished out. Completed everyone? Right. Now, here one important thing I want to tell you. Okay. Afterwards, you copy everyone. I told you, this step is the most important step. Now you see here everyone. Here I took Rx. Finally, I got RNH2. Am I right? Here, let me round up clearly. I took Rx here. Okay. Finally, I got RNH2 here. Now, tell me, everyone know. For example, okay, tell me, everyone respond. If I take CH3Cl, now tell me, respond everyone now. Polymers and biomolecules is there, biomolecules, some bio teacher will teach, polymers is not there in the syllabus. This year they removed that one. Physical chemistry I can't teach, other teachers will teach. So yes, tell me what is the answer for this question? What happened? Yes, answer is CH3NH2. Clear? CH3NH2. Clear? Now tell me, I want to prepare C6H5NH2. You know, this is aniline. Now tell me, what Rx is required? I want to prepare aniline. What Rx is required? Come on, answer it now, everyone. What Rx is required? C6H5Cl. Very good, very good. Some student posted benzyl chloride. No, it is wrong. C6H5Cl. Clear, everyone? Now, once you see everyone now, let me explain an important thing. So, you have to take here C6H5Cl. C6H5Cl means what? Chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene. Now, one question I want to ask again, I want to see your response. Tell me, chlorobenzene, it is more reactive or less reactive? In the very first lesson, I told you, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Tell me, more reactive, very good. Still, what happened? Is it more reactive or less reactive? It is very, very less reactive. This I told you also. Okay, and I don't know whether you remembered or not. I told you, halogens are orthopara directors but ring deactivators. Am I right? Halogens are orthopara directors and ring deactivators. Now, on the whole, stop your messaging and tell me, is it less reactive or more reactive? Tell me now. Please tell me, is it less reactive or more reactive? Yes, it is less reactive. Now answer my question. When it is less reactive, how it can give aniline then? How it can give aniline? Can it give aniline? No, it cannot give aniline. So now see clearly everyone now. So this is less reactive. Therefore, aniline cannot be prepared by this method. So now an important thing is that except aniline, all primary amines can be prepared. All primary amines can be prepared by this method. Except aniline, all primary amines can be prepared by this method. Clear? This is the most important point to be noted here. Except aniline, all primary amines can be prepared by this method. Hope you are able to understand this one. Everyone. And I think you understood that why we can't prepare aniline. I think you understood. Clear, everyone? Right. Okay. So this is the Gabriel Thalamide synthesis, by which we can't prepare only aniline. Except aniline, all primary amines can be prepared. Clear? Now, coming to the point of the next preparation, last preparation method, but very, very important preparation method. Okay. 2-3 times we got in JEE Advanced also this one. Okay. So what is that one? Write down. Hoffman. Bromamide. Degradation reaction. Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Very, very important preparation method. Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Here we will be seeing its mechanism, then we will do some questions also here. So now see clearly, R C double bonded O NH2. This is amide. So this one, when treated with bromine and NaOH, you can take KOH or NaOH, any base, up to you. Clear? Then here what happened? We will get RNH2, primary amine. Plus the byproducts are what? Na2CO3 plus 2NaBr plus 2H2O. Clear, everyone? Did you understand one small trick here? Now you see everyone now. If you remove this C double bonded O, you are getting the answer, you see, RNH2. Just remove the C double bonded O. Clear? Now, one more thing. In this reactant, you see, 2 carbons are there. R is 1 carbon, C double bonded O 1 carbon. But in the amine formed, only 1 carbon is there. That means number of carbons are decreasing here. So that is called as degradation. Degradation means decreasing the carbons. That is the meaning of degradation. Followed everyone? Okay. One more important thing. This reaction is shown only by primary amides. Most important one. One of the previous JEE mains question, this one. This reaction is shown only by primary amides. Secondary, tertiary do not show this reaction. So tell me, any doubts in Hoffman bromamide? Any doubts in Hoffman bromamide? No doubts now? Okay. Everyone, please respond quickly. Yes, no doubts. So let us continue to the mechanism part. Okay, you people should know what is this bromamide, how it is formed, what is the intermediate in the reaction. So mechanism, let us go little bit slowly. Clear? So mechanism. Here Br2, bromine. Bromine when treated with KOH. I told you, you can take KOH or NaOH. Any base you can take, no problem. Clear? Then what you will get here? KBr you will get, KOBr also you will get. Clear? Now this KOBr is there now, okay? It can ionize into K plus and BRO minus, K plus and BRO minus. Followed? Remember everyone, this BRO minus is there now. BRO minus will take water. This reaction takes place in aqueous medium. This reaction takes place in aqueous medium. So BRO minus will react with water. Okay. Now, what happened here? What is the thing that is formed? You know, HOBr is formed and OH minus ion is released out. Clear? Now what happened? Because of OH minus ion, okay, solution is alkaline in nature. Alkaline in nature. This question once we got in previous JEE advance. Solution remains alkaline because of OH minus ions. So these are the two steps of the mechanism. Mechanism is not yet completed till now. Up to here, I think it is clear, everyone. Tell me. Any doubts up to here in the mechanism part? Right, no doubts. Let us continue the mechanism then. Now, as I told you, somewhat slowly we will go. So now, okay, R C double bonded O NH2. Clear? I will do one thing to make you to understand well. NH2, can I write like this? You see NH2. Followed everyone? So now what happened? In the first step, we got the BRO minus. Okay, BRO minus is a base. So base will remove the proton from here. Base will remove the proton. Clear? When the proton is removed out, then what we will get here? R, C, double bonded O, NH minus is left over. Okay, let me go stepwise clearly. Clear? Now what happened? In the first step, we got HOBr. Okay, that only I am writing here. HOBr. Okay, so I think you know bromine less electronegative, oxygen more electronegative, bromine less electronegative, oxygen more electronegative. So now what happened? This negatively charged nitrogen is there na? It will take bromine from here. Negatively charged nitrogen will take bromine. Clear? So now R C double bonded O NHBr. Okay, this is your bromamide. This is bromamide. Clear? Now, still we are having BRO minus with us. Base is there. Clear? 1 mole base, 1 mole contain Avogadro number of molecules. So this base again removes the proton from here. Base again removes the proton. Then what is the thing that is left over then? R C double bonded O N minus Br N minus Br. Okay. And here also one thing I want to tell you, please listen, afterwards you write. Now what happened when the negative charge is reversed back? Okay, alkyl group is there now. This alkyl group will migrate from here to here, then bromine will depart out. I think you understood like Beckmann's rearrangement we did. So here also alkyl group will migrate. Only one alkyl is there that has to migrate. There is no other option. Only one alkyl group is there that has to migrate. That is the reason why this reaction is having a special place. Alkyl group migration. So what is the thing left over then? R is bonded with N, then double bonded C, double bonded O left over. Okay, this is called as what? Isocyanate. Okay, 2016 JEE advanced question. What is the intermediate in Hoffman bromamide? Answer is isocyanate. Isocyanate is formed here. Clear? Now what happened here? Once you see, I told you the solution remains alkaline. That means OH minus ions are there with us. So now what happened? Pi bond will shift towards oxygen because oxygen more electronegative. Carbon gets positive charge. So this OH minus attacks on this positive charge. Followed? So now R and double bonded C, then here OH, okay, then here O minus, I'm not seeing your chat box. I hope you people are not having any doubts. I think so. But anyway, after completing the mechanism, I will see. Now what happened? See, when the negative charge reverse back, clear, pi bond will go towards nitrogen. Pi bond will go towards nitrogen. Okay. So now what is the thing happening here? R N minus C OH double bonded O. So now what happened? This negatively charged nitrogen will take H plus from here. Negatively charged nitrogen will take proton. Okay. Now what is left over then? So R NH, okay, C double bonded O, and H plus is removed out, O minus is left over then. Hope you people are can follow this one. Now, when the negative charge is reversed back, then this entire group has to depart out. Follow? So, R NH minus departed, CO2 gas escapes out of the container. As I told you, reaction is taking place in aqueous medium. So in aqueous medium, water, H plus and OH minus ions are there. H plus ions will be bonded to negatively charged nitrogen. Then what we will get here? R NH2, it is the primary amine. This is the entire mechanism of Hoffman bromamide. So copy quickly everyone. Now tell me, any doubts in this mechanism? Any doubts in this mechanism? This mechanism is not there for board examination, but for mains and advanced it is there. Isocyanate formation is important. Come on, please tell me any doubts in this mechanism. I explained very slowly mechanism. Followed everyone. I told you in a trick also here. Remove the C double bonded O, that's it. R C double bonded O NH to remove C double bonded O, then you'll get RNH directly. Followed. Now we will do some questions which appeared in previous mains and advanced on this one. Okay, some questions we will be doing now. So now first question. Okay, so now write down ET C double bonded O NH2. This is 15 isotope of nitrogen. Okay, so when treated with bromine and OH minus. Someone is asking about the trick here. So very simple. Just remove the C double bonded O. That's it. Remove the C double bonded O. So now what is the answer here? ET NH2 15. ET NH2 15. Clear? Now, second question. Okay. Me C double bonded O NH2 plus ET C double bonded O NH2. This is 15 with bromine and OH minus. Okay. Here also same thing you do now. Just remove the C double bonded O. Remove the C double bonded O. You will be getting the answer. Okay. So what is the two products are formed here? Me C double bonded O NH2 plus Et C double bonded O NH2 15. Clear everyone? Any doubt in this question? Yes, you have to remove C double bonded O. There is a small trick here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here I made a mistake here. Okay. Right. I made a mistake here. So answer is MENH2. Here ETNH2. Followed everyone? I made a mistake here. Clear everyone? Followed. We will do still some difficult questions, okay? What happened? Why we people are more worried about the byproducts? We want the main product, na? Byproducts are of not our interest. Okay, so we will do some difficult questions on Huffman bromamide. Now, next, one more question. Okay, so write down pH, C double bonded O, NH2. Okay, you know, in one JEE advanced the question we got like this KOBr. Whether you noticed or not, KOBr is formed in the mechanism also. So this is also Huffman bromamide reaction only. Here also same trick again. Remove C double bonded O. Clear? Then what is the product form? pH NH2. This is aniline. Okay, don't confuse. KOBr also will give Huffman bromamide reaction only. Okay, next. I want to give you one question from previous JEE advanced. Come on, solve this one now. Okay, pH, C double bonded O, ND2. ND2 when treated with bromine and OH minus. Bromine and OH minus. Take the help of mechanism. Let me see how many of you will answer this one. And I will come to know how many of you understood the mechanism clearly. Come on, tell me what is the answer here. Take the help of mechanism. You know, if you don't know mechanism, you can't answer this question. Come on. Yes, most of the students are giving the answer. It is aniline, PHNH2. Very good, very good. Answer is again aniline only. Okay, answer is again aniline, PHNH2 only. Aniline is the answer. Did you understand how you got aniline? For that again, who is that? Ajay Karthik from Mahatma School. See the mechanism. You can understand. Remove the deuterium. Any more doubts in this question? What happened? No one is responding. Any doubts in this question? No doubts now. Now you see, I think now you understood the importance of the mechanism. Clear? If you don't know mechanism, you would have not solved this question, you know. Am I right? If you don't know mechanism, you would have not solved this question. Clear, everyone? Right? Let us go for still some more questions here. Now, next question here. Okay. Next one. Now tell me. NH2, C double bonded O, NH2. Okay. When treated with Br2 by OH minus, first of all, you know, this compound is called as what? Urea. Urea is the first organic compound prepared in the lab. Urea is the first organic compound prepared in the lab. Followed, I told you one small trick here. Okay, just remove this C double bonded O. If you remove C double bonded O, then what is the thing left over here? NH2, NH2. You know, NH2, NH2 is called as what? Hydrazine. This I told you in aldehydes and ketones, ammonia derivatives. Hydrazine is formed here. So please copy quickly. Followed. Next. This is the one of the recent JEE advanced question. This one also. Come on, try everyone. When treated with bromine and OH minus. Come on, try this question. I hope you guys are trying this question. Some students are given the answer, but that is not correct. I want you to try once again, take the help of mechanism. No, it is not MENH2. Okay, let me give the answer for this question. Then after I will see your response. Okay, so now let us solve this question. Now, solution for this question. Okay, according to mechanism, okay, up to this point, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Up to this point, any doubt? You can ask me. Okay, how I got this one means according to mechanism I got. Okay, now what happened? See clearly, when the negative charge reverses back, then bromine has to depart out. Clear? So now what happened? MEC, Me double bonded NH is formed. This is the final product. Tell me, anyone having any doubt here? Anyone having any doubt here? Okay, according to mechanism only they asked the question, but it will be tricky question. One of the recent JEE advanced questions. Clear, everyone? Mechanism already who is this Sanjana? Mechanism already we discussed, na? Okay. So these are the preparation methods of what I want to say, amines. Okay. Completed preparation methods, right. We will enter into chemical properties then. Okay. In this chapter, physical properties are not that important. Okay. You please read on your own. Let me enter into chemical properties. Okay. Chemical properties. In that, the first chemical property is basic nature of amines. Basic nature of amines. Okay. Now, here, first of all, according to Arrhenius, okay, OH minus ion donor in water is a base. OH minus ion donor in water is a base. These theories already you know, no need to explain once again. Okay. Next, according to Bronsted, okay, proton acceptor is a base. Clear? Next, according to Lewis, okay, electron pair donor is a base. Electron pair donor is a base. These three theories already you read in 11th class. Okay. Then remember everyone. Okay. Basic strength directly proportional to Kb, inversely proportional to pKb. basic strength directly proportional to Kb, inversely proportional to pKb. Clear? One important thing I want to discuss about the ammonia here. Okay, so remember everyone, ammonia is a ammonia is a Bronsted as well as Lewis base both. Ammonia is a Bronsted base and Lewis base. Remember, ammonia is a Bronsted base and Lewis base. Okay, how? Now let me take here NH3 here and here H plus. So it is accepting the proton. Then what we will get here? NH4 plus. So according to this reaction, it is the Bronsted base. Clear? Now, when it reacts with boron trifluoride, so nitrogen will donate lone pair to the vacant orbital of boron, okay, and forms a coordinate covalent bond. Clear? This is the coordinate covalent bond. Let me write clearly this one. Coordinate covalent bond. And according to second equation, it is Lewis base. Followed? Clear? One important thing I want to discuss is that here organic bases, okay, are weaker than inorganic bases. I don't know whether you remember or not, the same thing I told in acids also. Organic acids are weaker acids than inorganic acids. Similarly, organic bases are weaker bases than inorganic bases. Followed everyone? Clear? Okay. Is it clear everyone? Please respond. What happened? Okay, we will continue in the next class. Okay, I will show you the slides from the starting onwards. See clearly everyone. Okay, this is the next one. Okay, then after this one, then Huffman bromide degradation. This is the mechanism of Huffman bromide. Okay. Then this remaining part. Then here some questions we took here. Okay. Remaining questions. Then basic nature we started here. Only introduction part is completed in basic nature. Okay. And about the basic nature in detail, we are going to see in the tomorrow's class. Very clear. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
students.
sir. Thank you.
Next, you will have the physics class. Okay, you can go for a short break.